Welcome to the session, children. Class 2nd, Subject English, Unit number 5, Rain, Rain, Come Again. The poet name D.A. Tresler. So, open your sunshine book, page number 36. Let us read. Pitter patter falls the rain on the roof and window pane, making puddles in the lane, beating down upon the train. An old lady on a stool, watching children come from school, step in every little pool, enjoy the breeze, oh so cool. Shaking itself a wet boat, smart Sam in his new raincoat sails down the rain his paper boat, wonder how it stays afloat. See the umbrellas dripping, down the road the girls skipping, being careful not slipping, running along not tripping. All of us love the rain, the duck, the frog and the crane. Note, one of us does complain, we want the rain to come again. See children, here the poet is expressing his experience or the way he enjoys the rain. Pitter patter falls the rain. When the rain falls, it makes a sound on the roof, pitter patter, and near the window, pane. Example, you can see this is roof and this is window, pane. When it is raining, it makes a sound pitter patter. So we can find when the rain falls on the roof and the window pane, it makes a sound pitter patter. And we realize when we hear the sound of pitter patter outside, we go outside, we smell the rain when it falls on the soil, we can feel the rain. So in the same way, when the rain comes, the poet is enjoying the pitter patter sound, and he is looking and listening the sound of rain falling on the roof and the window pane. Now, making puddles in the lane, beating down upon the train. Making puddles. Puddles means what, children? A small pool of water called puddles. Puddles. Where you can find the puddles, children? Puddles you can find here and there on the lane. Lane means a garden or a street. Example, you can see the puddles here. Here the rain is falling and on the road or the street you can find the puddles. Now let us go with the second stanza. In this stanza, the poet is trying to say what he is looking at. He saw an old lady sitting on the stool and watching the children coming from the school. She was very eager. The rain is falling and the children are coming in the rain. So how they are coming, how they are enjoying in that. He was trying to see the children stepping in the rain. Means the pool, the little pools, puddles or the pools where the children are trying to step in that. And in the third stanza, the poet is saying, the poet saw a wet boat shaking itself to get dry from the rain. Because it was wet in the rain, so it is trying to remove the water from his body by shaking itself. And he saw a smart boy named Sam. Children, do you know why the Sam is looking so smart? Because he was wearing a raincoat, that too a new raincoat. And he is looking very smart because of it. And he can travel in the rain wherever he wants. He can walk in the rain, he can play in the rain without getting wet. He sails down the drain his paper boat. Now he started making a paper boat and putting in the water puddles to see how it floats. And he was enjoying it by looking at it. And you people, like you children also try to make a paper boat when it rains, and you will try to put it on the puddles and see how it floats and you enjoy it. In the same way, the Sam is wearing a new raincoat to make sure he is not going to get wet and playing in the water puddles to enjoy the rain. And the next thing is, now the poet has wonder because the paper boat is not sink in the water. It is floating in the water. So he was very surprised to look at it. Now as you can see in the picture, children, the Sam is wearing a new raincoat, yellow raincoat, and he has made a paper boat which is floating on the water. It's not getting drained. So it is floating and he is wonder for it and he is enjoying it. Let's go with the 4th standard, children. See the umbrellas dripping down the road. The girls skipping. Dripping down. Dripping down means the raindrops slopes down the umbrella and drip drop by drop. And the girls are skipping on the road, enjoying the rain. They are very careful. They are making sure they should not slip. They are running along and making sure not to trip. Girls are running along, not tripping. What is tripping, children? Tripping means falling. Here the girls are making sure they should not fall. They are careful about it. Now let us go with the 5th stanza. All of us love the rain, the duck, the frog and the crane. Not one of us does complain when we want the rain to come again. We all love the rain, children. Example, the duck, the frog and the crane. In the whole world, we all human beings, animals, plants, everyone loves the rain because it gives us the greenery in the nature. It gives us the flowers, the food crops, everything we get from the rain. The air, get cool breeze from the rain. Not even one of us complained on rain because we all love the rain and we want it to come again and again. Hope you enjoy the poem, children. Rain, rain, come again. Thank you.